Hey everyone, welcome back to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. A lot of you have been asking about a detailed breakdown of all 21 superstar riders. And due to the overwhelming response, we are excited to bring you this detailed video. If you are new to our channel, make sure to check out Superstar Policy Explainer videos available in both English and Hindi language. The links are in the description below. Now let's dive in. First, let's quickly clarify what riders mean in health insurance. Riders are additional benefits or add-ons that you can choose to customize your health insurance policy. These riders provide extra coverage on top of the base policy and help you tailor your insurance plan according to your needs. Last year, Star Health Insurance launched a brand new retail health insurance policy, Superstar, and today we are going to explore all the amazing riders it offers. First, we have a Smart Network. With Smart Network, Star Health Insurance offers a great way to save on your premiums. Here's how it works. By opting for this feature, you instantly get a 15% discount on your premium. So, if your annual premium would normally be about 20,000, you pay only 17,000 instead. It's a simple and effective way to reduce cost. However, to enjoy this discount, you will need to get your treatment at one of the hospitals listed in the Smart Network only. Think of it like a preferred partners program. Just like you get exclusive deals at certain restaurants or stores, you get a discount when you visit these specific hospitals. If, however, you need to seek treatment outside the Smart Network, there's a 15% co-payment involved. One important thing to remember, the list of Smart Network hospitals can change over time. Star Health can add or remove hospitals. So it's always a good idea to double check the list before heading to a hospital for treatment. Next in number 2, we have Quick Shield. Quick Shield is a great feature for those who want to get coverage for certain pre-existing conditions without the usual waiting period. Normally, if you have pre-existing conditions like diabetes or hypertension, you'd have to wait for a few years before you are fully covered. But with Quick Shield, you can reduce that waiting period significantly. Here's how it works. If you opt for Quick Shield, you get coverage for certain conditions right from day 31 of your policy starting. No more waiting for years. It covers conditions like diabetes, hypertension, asthma, hyperlipidemia, and even coronary artery disease, if you've had a procedure like PTCA done over a year ago. Then at number 3, we have non-medical items coverage. Non-medical items coverage is an optional add-on that takes care of something most people don't even think about until they see their hospital bills, which is consumables. These are everyday medical supplies used during treatments like gloves, syringes, and even bandages. Normally, health insurance policies don't cover these costs, which means you end up paying for them out of your own pocket. But with this add-on, those expenses are taken care of as long as your hospital stay is covered under inpatient or daycare treatment. You can check the specific list of consumables in the policy documents. Next at number 4, we have Future Shield. Imagine you've recently got married and want to add your spouse to your health insurance policy. Normally, they would have to go through all the waiting periods for pre-existing diseases, specific treatments, and even maternity benefits from scratch. But with Future Shield, you can skip the wait and give them immediate continuity benefits for all waiting periods you have already completed under your Superstar policy. This option is only available if the spouse is added within 120 days of marriage and the spouse's age is up to 35 years. Next at number 5, we have maternity coverage. Planning for a baby is an exciting journey, but medical expenses can add up quickly. That's where the maternity benefit cover comes in, ensuring financial security during one of the life's biggest moments. With this cover, delivery expenses including cesarean sections along with prenatal and postnatal care are taken care of. Plus, your newborn is covered from day 1 for hospitalization expenses. Depending on your choice, you can opt for option A or option B, each with different waiting periods and coverage limits, which you can see on the policy documents. For couples facing challenges in conception, option C provides financial support for assisted reproduction treatment or ART, covering one ART cycle per policy year after a waiting period. Whether you're spending for natural birth, considering fertility treatments, or ensuring your newborn is covered from the start, this benefit is designed to support you through every step of the journey. Then at number 6, we have Women Care. The Women Care cover is a thoughtful addition to the Superstar policy, offering specific benefits tailored for women. This cover ensures that pregnant women can avail themselves of the policy by submitting a 12 and 20-week scan report. There are some specific sublimits also which you can see on your screens. Once accepted, the cover kicks in immediately, covering your newborn from birth until the end of the policy year. It also takes care of congenital defects in the newborn, so you don't have to worry about additional expenses during a critical time. At number 7, we have is high-end diagnostic cover. This cover is designed to help you with the cost of specialized diagnostic tests that can be quite expensive. This cover takes care of a range of high-tech diagnostic procedures, including brain perfusion imaging, PET scans, CT-guided biopsies, and more, up to $25,000 per policy year. What's great about this benefit is that it only requires the initial 30-day waiting period, meaning you don't have to wait long before utilizing this cover. It can be a lifesaver if you need advanced diagnostic tests for a serious condition without worrying about the financial burden. Then comes the personal accident cover, which is a vital addition to your health insurance policy that provides financial protection in case of accidents. If the insured person suffers from accidental injuries that result in permanent disability or even death, this cover comes into play. Here's how it works. Option A, accidental death. If an accident leads to death within 12 months, the insurance will pay out the full sum insured mentioned in your policy schedule. Option B, accidental death and permanent total disablement. If the accident causes permanent disability, you get compensation, but remember, the claims has to be made within 60 days and the disablement occurs within 12 calendar months from the date of the accident. Refer to the policy documents for more information. At number 9, we have annual health checkup. Taking care of your health just got even easier with the annual health checkup benefit. Starting from day 1 of your policy, you can get up to 1% of your sum insured with a maximum of $25,000 in a policy year. What's even better, all the tests are available on a cashless basis, so no need to worry about upfront payments. Just book your test through the mobile app and get access to range of health screenings. This cover is only for regular checkups but can also be used for vaccination expenses as well, making it a fantastic all-rounder for all of your health needs. Next we have is voluntary co-payment and voluntary deductible. With voluntary co-payment, if you opt for it, you will need to pay a specified percentage of each admissible claim amount in addition to any other co-payment that may apply. Once chosen, you can't change the co-payment percentage mid-term, and it will apply to sections 2, which is 1 to 11 of your policy. Remember, once you opt for this, you can't reduce or opt out later on. On the other hand, if you choose the voluntary deductible, the co-payment options is not available. Essentially, a deductible is an amount you agree to pay before your insurance coverage kicks in. But the key point is you can't mix and match both options. It's either one or the other. These options give you flexibility to manage your premiums, so make sure you choose what works best for you. Now let's talk about the 12th cover, which is room rent modification option. If you opt for the room rent modification option in your policy, you will have the flexibility to choose a room type, whether it's a single private AC room, shared room, or a general ward. Refer to the policy documents for more information. Next, at number 13, we have another optional cover, which is E-International Second Opinion cover. Opting this allows you to get expert medical advice from top international doctors. If you're facing a health concern and want a second opinion, this option provides you with the opportunity to choose one of the 3 medical professions from our panel of doctors. Here's how it works. You submit your medical records either by email, which is emedicalopinion@starhealth.in, or via post or courier, and the doctor you will choose will review them. The doctor will then provide their medical opinion directly to you without an in-person examination. This benefit can be used once per policy year for each insured person, whether you have an individual policy or a floater or even a multi-individual policy. At number 14, we have is durable medical equipment cover. With this optional cover, you're covered for the cost of essential medical equipment after hospitalization. If you are prescribed durable medical equipment for post-hospital recovery, this cover helps pay for either renting or purchasing the equipment up to a limit of 5 lakhs. However, this benefit is available only once during the lifetime of the policy and applies specifically for conditions where the hospitalization claim was approved. For example, after a knee replacement surgery, your doctor might prescribe a CPAP machine, a wheelchair, or a knee rehabilitation device for your recovery. With this cover, the cost of renting or purchasing these devices will be reimbursed, giving you the necessary support to recover fully. Just keep in mind, once you reach the 5 lakh limit, the cover will no longer be available and you won't be able to opt for it again in future renewals. Now, let's talk about the next cover which we have is compassionate visit cover. Life can sometimes throw unexpected emergencies our way, especially when you're far from home. With the compassionate visit cover, if you're hospitalized for a life-threatening emergency far from your usual place of residence, this cover helps ensure your loved ones can be by your side. If you opt for this cover, we will reimburse up to 10,000 per occurrence for an immediate family member to travel to the hospital where you are being treated, provided your hospitalization claim is admissible under this policy. At number 16, we have the hospital cash benefit cover. If you are admitted to the hospital, the insurance company pays you a lump sum cash amount for each full 24-hour period you are hospitalized. For example, if you are hospitalized for 5 days and the policy specifies 1,000 per day you will receive. So 5,000 as a lump sum provided for your claim is admissible under inpatient or Ayush treatment. This benefit helps cover incidental expenses like food, travel, or other costs that might add up during a hospital stay, giving you some financial relief while you focus on getting better. The policy offers an option to reduce the waiting period for both specified diseases, procedures, and pre-existing diseases, making it easier to get coverage sooner. For specified diseases, the waiting period can be reduced from 24 months to 12 months. Similarly, for pre-existing diseases, excluding those listed under Quick Shield, if opted, the waiting period can be shortened from 36 months to 12 or 24 months. However, both these options are only available during the first purchase of the policy, and the reduction applies only to the sum insured chosen at that time. Renewal, ported, or migrated policies are not eligible for these reductions. Additionally, approval from the underwriter is required for offering these reductions. Note that if a pre-existing disease also falls under a specific disease waiting period, the longer waiting period will apply. Now we'll talk about the 19th option cover, which is limitless care. With limitless care, there's no cap on the amount your policy will pay for one hospitalization. Whether it's a major surgery or an unexpected emergency, your treatment is fully covered under the policy. Here's how it works. Let's say you undergo a costly surgery and your medical expenses rack up to 15 lakh, but your sum insured is only 10 lakh. With limitless care, the entire 15 lakh is covered for one hospitalization. But once you have made that claim, the limitless care option will disappear. That's right, you won't be able to use this option again in the future, so it's important to weigh the decision wisely. For the year you made the claim, your total sum insured will reset to 0. 20th optional cover is Superstar Bonus. If you opt for this optional cover, you will receive a bonus of 100% of your annual sum insured at the end of each policy year, even if you make a claim. For instance, if your sum insured is 5 lakh, you will get an additional 5 lakh added to your coverage every year. So for the next year, your coverage would be 10 lakh. This pattern continues into the third and the fourth years, with your sum insured increasing every year. At last, we have is NRI Advantage optional cover. If you are an NRI or an overseas citizen of India, you can enjoy a 10% discount on your premium with the NRI Advantage optional cover. To qualify, you will need to declare that you are living abroad, provide proofs of overseas residence during renewals, and ensure payments are made through an Indian bank account. This discount is available for up to 5 continuous policy years. However, if you move back to India, the discount won't apply upon renewals. And that's a wrap. I know it's been a lot to take in, but that's the beauty of Superstar policy. It's the most customizable and flexible policy where you have the option to add or remove features which you require based on your needs. For more information about anything related to Superstar, check out the policy documents which is already attached in the description. Connect with our advisors for any further queries. I hope this video was informative for you. If you liked this video, hit the like button, comment your queries below, and share it with your friends to spread awareness about the Superstar policy. Thank you.